everybody, this is CR number 13, helper video number 5. It says, what is the value of x in the following equation? Well, the first thing I'm going to do is take my 4, because I have to get rid of my parentheses, and I'm going to multiply it or distribute it by each term inside the parentheses. Well, 4 times 2 is 8. And then a positive 4 times a negative, remember there's a 1 here if there's nothing there. So 4 times negative 1x is negative 4x. I go ahead and bring down the positive 15, and then I need to bring down the equal sign, and then I have to distribute the 3. Well, 3 times x is 3x, and then positive 3 times a positive 3 is a positive 9. All right, on this side, I've noticed that I have constants that I can put together. I have a positive 8 and a positive 15. So 8 plus 15 is 23. So I'm going to go ahead, bring down the negative 4x, and I'm going to now bring down the plus 23 because 8 plus 15 is 23. And the other side I haven't changed at all, so I'm just bringing that down. Now remember, I always want my variables on the left side and my constants on the right side. So I have to draw my ladder, and I have to move these 3 x's to the left side. Well, I'm zeroing them out, and the only way I can zero them out is to subtract them off. Anything I do to one side, I have to do to the other. These zero out, I'm left with a 9. Bring down my equal sign, bring down my plus 23 because I haven't done anything. And negative 4 minus 3, well, both are negatives. If I have 4 negatives here and 3 negatives here, I have a total of 7 negatives. Don't forget the x. Now I need to get the x by itself, so I subtract 23 on both sides. Use a calculator. I have more negatives than positives, so my answer is negative. I'm bringing it over here just because it's easier. I have more space. And 9 minus 23, well, how many more negatives do I have than positives? 14. Now this negative 7 and the x are attached by multiplication. I undo multiplication with division. Negative divided by a negative is a positive. I get a 1. Negative divided by a negative is a positive. 14 divided by 7 is 2. X equals 2. Good luck with that one.